Welcome to the TWSTEMDigital Electronic Kit 002. This kit consists of cake boards, a PCB and electronic components, along with instructions and schematics. Your task is to assemble the provided elements into functional electronic devices on these boards. By testing them, you will learn the basics of digital electronics. You will need to already have the TWSTEM Kit A, which includes essential digital electronics measuring devices and soldering tools.
Welcome to the 002 Electronic Circuit Module Data Manual, a comprehensive guide to digital logic and innovative computing. Your journey begins with 9 modules, from basic gates to advanced psycho-logic. The manual is structured around 9 distinct electronic circuit modules. While a complete list of all 9 is not explicitly provided in the excerpts, the following modules can be identified: OR gate, diode resistor logic, and transistor-based logic. NOT gate, transistor-based. The documents state that the modules demonstrate core digital logic functions and/or not through various implementations. Therefore, the full set of 9 modules likely includes OR and a NOT gate implied using various implementations like transistors and diodes, and the novel ampere modulated logic or psycho-logic DDA.
This is the data manual for the TwoWings STEM Kit 002, a comprehensive 9-module journey into digital electronics. It builds a multidisciplinary foundation, tracing the path of energy, from its chemical origin in a battery, through the physics of voltage and current, to its final, controlled consumption in a digital CMOS circuit. This integrated perspective from chemistry, physics, and mathematics is the essential first step. With this theoretical foundation established, the document then details the core electronic components themselves. You will learn the characteristics of resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors, not just what they do, but how their material composition and underlying physics define their function. This understanding forms the basis for everything that follows. The manual is structured around the practical analysis of 9 distinct electronic circuit modules. These are presented in a logical sequence, guiding you from fundamental principles to advanced concepts. First, we explore the building blocks of digital logic through classic transistor-based designs. You will assemble and analyze a NOT gate, an OR gate, and an AND gate. These modules demonstrate how controlled switching creates the binary logic that underpins all modern computing. Next, the manual introduces alternative implementations. You will build an OR gate using only diodes and resistors, offering a simpler, though slower, approach to logic. This contrast is key to understanding the trade-offs in electronic design. The journey then progresses to more sophisticated modules, including a dual-power OR gate for voltage adaptability, and an optimized resistor-based AND gate for improved switching speed. The final part of the manual introduces a truly novel paradigm termed ampere modulated logic, or psycho-logic DDA. This approach challenges the conventional voltage-based model of computation. Here, information is processed not by voltage levels, but by the summation and division of electrical current itself within a network of conductors. You will explore modules that implement AND, OR, and NOT functions using this innovative, current-based principle. Each module is supported by detailed schematics, clear working principles, and verified test data. Furthermore, the manual provides a professional analysis of the associated utility model patent, examining the claims and potential of this unconventional computing architecture. In conclusion, this manual is more than a collection of schematics. It is a systematic guide that takes you from the established fundamentals of electronic components and transistor-based logic to the forefront of current-based computing paradigms. It aims to provide not just practical skills, but a deep, conceptual understanding of how we can process information using electronics. Your journey through the core principles of digital logic and beyond begins now.